Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sindy V King. I am a creator of Calling You My King, and I help transform a woman to create lasting love through a Vedic astrology, neuroscience, and transactional analysis so that she becomes the queen of love. So that being said, what to say if a guy wants to get intimate with you right now? So have you ever been in a situation where you're not ready to take all this off because it takes effort to do it, to put it all on, and he wants to get right and see you right naked, bare skin, and you're like, hold up, right? Have you ever been in that situation? You're like, your gut's telling you, wait, right? And I want to make sure that it is absolutely normal for a man want to be intimate with you and want to make love to you and find you very desirable, because obviously you've been watching my videos or are part of my student. I really want to make sure that you're not shaming the guy because he finds you attractive and wants to create another human being right here, right now, and you are not right, you're not ready yet. You're not there yet. So that being said, I really want to make sure that you are kind of communicating that what your gut is telling you to do. So that's really important, that you're not creating any human beings, you're not taking this all off right now, immediately, because yeah, you're just not ready yet. So what do you do in that sort of scenario? So you have to make him right that he wants to make love to you. Don't bite his head off, don't chop his balls off. That's not needed in any way. And you can simply say this: you are so wonderful, I'm very attracted to you, and you have an amazing vibe about you. Right now, I'm wanting to savor this part, getting to know you, and I'm looking forward us getting there soon so that we are getting to know each other. That being said, if he's understanding and he's a gentleman, obviously he's gonna accept your request, and obviously he's gonna, if he's consistent, all right, that's the word, steadfast and consistent, he's gonna come and ask you for sex again, and you're gonna say the exact same thing until you're like, okay. And then you guys should have a conversation about sex before actually getting intimate with each other. I know our animal instincts are just wanting to like launch over, and there's a way you can have a sex talks with him, and it doesn't have to be in the bedroom, or it can be in his house or in a bedroom. You don't have to be in that place to have a sex talk. It could be over the phone, hello, or it could be in public places. I love taking awkward conversation out in public because I just find it hilarious if one of us would ever raise our voice about the situation. So both parties ready to have that conversation and really be mature about it, because being intimate, it could be an easy thing, but you want it to be long lasting. And I think it's such a high importance to make both parties equally feel comfortable and know what the expectation is. If he really wants to play, he must let you know. And if you're willing to accept he just want to play and not commit, you guys have to have that conversation, right? We talked about this in my other video about monogamy, continuity, and longevity. So if he's wanting monogamy one night, that's his version of monogamy. Continuity, he only probably wanted to see you on that one date and that's it. And longevity, maybe that'll be it. right? So, but you need to have that conversation with him. And if he sounds like you're ready for it, really calm down your nerve and your anxiety, because I know a lot of people have this question and they get a lot of anxiety, and I get this question quite a bit. So I want to be able to post this video, and it's a short video, and I hope you like and share this video. If any of your girlfriend is questioning like, oh my gosh, like he's wanting to have sex with me and I want to like bite him off and just get rid of him and like cancel him, and just because he's turned on by the way that you present yourself and he likes your sexy red dress and how you present yourself, it doesn't make him wrong, but it doesn't make him every right to be very pushy and aggressive and really have his hands all over you. You have every right to own your body. So I just want to let every woman know that you are enough out there, and I hope this video has helped you. Leave a comment down below where you got into a situation and it was pretty damn awkward and you don't know what to do in this sort of situation. You froze, or what you did, and he kind of ghosted you and never called you back because things were just too awkward. All right. I hope this actually has helped many of you. I will see you guys in the next video next week. All right. See you then.
I'll be back.
If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, because sharing is caring. If you want my help in your relationship or dating situation, you can always book a time with me. Check out the link below. To stay in touch, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I post new videos. Please go ahead, hit the like button, because it encouraged me to create more contents like this every week for you. If you have any ideas for a video, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.